Welcome to this quick cord cutting meditation. This is a very basic, very light visualization, and it's great to return to whenever you're feeling off or whenever you're feeling like something may be draining your energy, or if you are having difficulties in a relationship, friendship, or with work colleagues, anyone. If you feel like you have a connection in your energy to another person, you can feel really drained. Even if you're the one cheering people up, giving support, wisdom, helping others, you can end up severely drained. So a cord cutting meditation, it's an energetic process where you are able to cut ties with somebody. And strangers can connect to you, people you don't know can connect to you, and then people you know can connect to you. So get comfortable, beloved, and close down your eyes, breathing in deeply. And as you breathe in, just place your hand on your heart and one on your belly and just allow them both to expand now. And as you exhale, release any negativity that you can feel rising up. Release the day and let go of anything that is on your mind. Just keep breathing in this way, in and out, slowly, until you feel peaceful and relaxed. And with your eyes closed still, I just want you to take a look down on your body as if you're X-ray scanning yourself, from head to toe. And just place a mark anywhere you see something out of place. Don't try to look into it. Just simply place a mark where something in your body is out of place. And when you reach the feet, I invite you to go through that same process again. From the top of your head, right down through the throat, the body, out the fingertips, and out through the toes. And when you are certain that you've placed marks wherever there may be cords, I would like you to bring in a beautiful blue light down through the top of your head, down through the crown. And I would like you to simply shine that light on all of the marks that you've marked out on the body, like a flashlight. And just observe if these marks dissolve, or if they move, if you need to chase them. And as you shine light into these marks, just intentionally tell them, I do not give you permission to be here. And you may not return without my written, conscious permission. And just continue to do this until you've gone through your entire body twice. And if you need to, you're more than welcome to change colour of your lights. And I will leave you here for a few moments to shine that light. And if you find that light, like a flashlight, is not working, you may wish to dissolve any marks on the body by simply turning that light into either fire or water, and allow that flame to burn and follow that flame. See if you can see who the energetic cord's connected to. Same with the water, wash it out. And just allow the light to keep flowing through you, grounding you into the earth, and feeling any tension in your body loosening up now. Just radiating love, becoming aware of the cords, but calling your guidance now, calling your spirit guides, your guidance, or any archangels to come and dissolve these cords. You may wish to call in Archangel Michael to come and sever these cords. And when you have finished these cords, fill your body with rose-coloured light and unconditional love, golden filaments of light. And then you can open your eyes, and I'll leave you there to finish your cord cutting.